Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And this is the last day, y'all, of our advent calendars, of my advent calendars. I had two from Macy's, and they were from CC's Trial Size Life and Laura the Bargain Hunter, and I was so grateful to receive them. And I did the 25-day in December, and now I've done the 12-day. We'll do the last one now. And this is January 6th, and it is the Epiphany. So in my opinion, there are different views on it. The 12 days of Christmas starts the day after Christmas and runs through January 6th, which is the Epiphany, which is the day that the three kings got to baby Jesus. That is what I was taught, and that is what I think is the right way to do it. And everybody has their own way to do it, and that's fine. So that's what I wanted to do, because I wanted to run some giveaways on these advent calendars as well. So today, let's look at the last day. This beautiful calendar. It's so festive and beautiful. And it had a sleeve that went around it, which is here somewhere in my boxes. And then it has a magnet closure. And both calendars came with a $10 off if you spend some money on beauty products on Macy, at their store or at the website. So this is day 12, which is right here. So let's see what's in there. I'm anxious to see it. This has been a fantastic calendar. Ooh, it's perfume. Let me show you real quick, and then I have to get it out of there. Oh, it's a pretty bottle too, y'all. You know, like on this calendar, on the back, oh, it's beautiful. Well, no, I thought it's somewhere in here. Hang on a minute. Oh, it might be on the back of that sleeve thing. Where's that sleeve thing? Hang on a minute. All right, this is the sleeve that goes around it. And on the back is all of the information about the products. So you could have looked at that if you want to see what was in there. And you know, I did see it online when it was first online, but I wanted to, you know, I forget stuff. So I wanted to be surprised each day. So I didn't really look at the back. So, but look at how beautiful this is. And I don't see any, oh, there it is. Okay. No, that's just some numbers. It's not. All right, let me show it to you if I can. If you can see it. Look how pretty that is. It's a beautiful glass bottle. It has this beautiful bow on it. And the stopper is also glass. It might be plastic, but it looks like glass. Ooh, it's spicy. It's spicy, which is the kind of perfume I like. Okay, so it stops in there very nice. Yeah, that might be plastic. This might be plastic, y'all, but it looks like glass. It's absolutely stunning all the way around. There is no marking on it to tell what the perfume is. There's some numbers here, and the bottom doesn't have anything either. And I don't recognize it. Now, perfume people may. So let me look at the back of this and see if I can see what it is. I see a lot of things. Elizabeth Arden, no. Too Faced. You know, I don't know. Let me see if I can figure it out, and I'll come back. I found it. It is Lancôme, and it's La Vie est Belle Eau de Parfum. And it smells really good. It says country of origin is France. It doesn't say what the notes are or anything, but it's just gorgeous. It's just, look at how special that is. That's a perfect last day of an advent calendar, in my opinion. And the perfume itself smells really good. I like it. So I just love that. Okay, Lancôme, very nice. Thank you so much, Cece and Laura. You've really made my holiday season, and my, I want to thank my subscribers as well, because y'all have come every day to see these advent calendars and to participate in the giveaway. And I have had a very successful December and January with views and all. So I really appreciate y'all so much. So I'll explain. Let me put this down here and get it out of the way. You know, I have the Advent treasure hunt is what is going on with this one. So today is the last day, January 6th. So any videos that you see up until today, including today. So, usually I post a video in the morning if I have something to show you, and then this is on at noon Central Time. If I have something else, if I have an overload of stuff, then through December I was posting even 3 videos a day. I'll post another one tonight. But anything that's posted today before midnight Central Time on January 6th, that is when the giveaway ends, so to speak. So if there is any more bonus items, and they're in those other videos, look for that. So that will end. That starts December 26th through January 6th. Any video that I have put out, if there's bonuses in them, then you can list those bonuses. Again, with the advent calendar, if you write, day 1 or December 26th was day 1, whatever way you had worked it out to write the 12 days out. And if you say day 1 had something in it, day 2 did not have anything in it, or however it goes, I'm not trying to give you hints. I'm just you can tell me the ones that don't have anything in it, but you don't have to. You don't have to tell me what I got in the advent calendar. This is to show what you can win. So any prizes that I showed within the advent calendar, and I'll tell you right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There were 8 videos of the 12 advent videos that have prizes in them. And then on the bonus videos, I don't know that I have that worked out yet. So, but I don't remember how many there are. Yeah, I don't know. But I will know. I will know soon. So I'm not sure when I'm going to tell you. But anyway, if anybody needs to know, I'll figure it out. So today's bonus, of course, it's the last day. Of course, I have to have a bonus in the last day. And I gave you all a beautiful palette earlier in somewhere along the line. I won't say where, but I'm giving you this beautiful set. This is one of my favorite sets of brushes. This is Luxie, and this is a beautiful leather bag. Now, I don't know if it's real leather, but it feels like it to me. It might not be leather, but it feels like it. And it's a gorgeous purple, and then it's lined inside, and it has a beautiful zipper. It says Luxie on that. It's like a rose gold, or maybe like a penny copper color, maybe. It's a very nice little cosmetic bag, and you can put other things in here besides your brushes. And what's inside are these 4 beautiful eye brushes and this adorable little sponge. And this is a very little sponge. If you can see, close to me, it's not a big sponge. This is perfect for under your eyes. When I do concealer, I love that little sponge. And then you have 4 beautiful brushes. I don't know if they say their names on them. They're numbers. So you have 1, 2, if you can see what they are. There's a really tiny one, that one like for eyelining and under eye. And then that one as well. And they're still in their packaging. I have not touched them. They're a beautiful mint handle, and they go so perfectly with this purple bag. So that is today's bonus. I shouldn't say today's, because maybe there's going to be a bonus or another. This isn't called a bonus. I'm messing up. And y'all, someday I'll get the hang of it. And you all have been done fantastic. And everybody that entered was put into the can, and I'll do the same thing this time. So even though it ends today, as far as videos, you have until January 10th. That'll give you 4 extra days till midnight Central Time, January 10th, 2023, to get me your lists. So you'll have your advent list and you'll have your bonus list. Now, some of y'all combine it, and that's fine too. Whatever is easier for y'all. There are 12 days to this advent calendar, and there's definitely more than 12 items in the giveaway. And I think that's everything, y'all. Just your usual rules apply, where you have to be 18 years or older. I need a continental United States address to mail this giveaway out in. YouTube has nothing to do with this. These are all things that I bought with my own money. If you're allergic to anything, please check. If you don't know, please check items before you use them. I'm not responsible if you're allergic to anything. I sure don't want anybody to be harmed. Once I put this in the mail, I'll get a tracking from the U.S. Postal Service, and then it's out of my hands. So if it gets lost or stolen, it's not. I'm not responsible. That has never happened in my more than 2 years of doing giveaways. So, you know, knock on wood, it never will. And y'all, I just am so very, very grateful for you. Y'all mean the world to me. You help me through each and every day. You really do. And I just, yeah, I wonder if y'all are just sick and tired of me saying it, but I hope not, because you mean a lot to me. I adore each and every one of you. I really do. And y'all just mean so much to me. So you have to be publicly subscribed to win this giveaway. Well, no, I think I didn't say that last time. You don't have to be publicly subscribed, but I have to know you. I did say that in the last one. I have to know you. And yeah, I have to know you to be in the giveaway. So please comment. I understand if you're a shy person and you don't want to comment, but you can send me a message to say I've been watching you or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So I think that's it. So if there's any questions, ask me. And I'll do some clarification before this. And again, I may do the 10th. I was looking at the calendar. I think that's a Tuesday. Maybe I will announce the winner on a Friday night gab that week. I don't know. If I do, I'll let y'all know. You don't have to be present, so don't worry about that. If you win, you win. You don't have to be present at the live. But I thought that was a lot of fun. We did that last week for the other giveaway, and I thought it was a lot of fun. Some of y'all were able to make it, some of y'all weren't. I'm gonna stop trying to put that in there because it's making too much noise. But thanks for stopping by, y'all. Count your blessings, and thank you for being here. And happy, happy, happy New Year. And I hope that you will stay and be a part of my family for a long time. Bye-bye, y'all.